Select a place on the number line to show the value to the nearest tenth of the square root of 11. So this problem can be pretty tricky to think about to start, because when we think about the square root of 11, we don't really know it off the top of our head, right? So I have to think strategically, and I have to think about square roots that I do know the answer to. And I like to try to think of one that's smaller than this and one that's a little bigger. So the first one that comes to mind is the square root of 9. The square root of 9 we know is the value 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9 equals 3. The other one is the square root of 16, one smaller, one bigger. And we know the square root of 16 equals 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. So what's left? Well, this is our problem, the square root of 11. And if we think strategically about 9 and 16, then this can really help. Because the square root of 11 is bigger than the square root of 9, smaller than the square root of 16. So it's got to be in the middle of 3 and 4. So let's start there, the middle of 3 and 4. And then I might ask myself, is it closer to 3 or is it closer to 4? And I can see it's square root of 11. It's got to be closer to 9. It's only 2 units off, whereas it's 5 units off here. So maybe I want to do 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 perhaps, or 3.4. Either of these should merit a correct response. So I like to call this strategy the perfect square sandwich. When you think of values that are one smaller, one bigger, and you kind of sandwich that non-perfect square in the middle. Thanks for watching.